What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Jasmine, aka Jason Moon. You already know who it is. I'm back at it with another video, and I'm gonna be using this Glamlite Burger Palette today. So I'm super duper excited about that because this palette is very popular and it's so pretty. I love all the colors, and look how pretty this is. I mean, come on, like what? But you know, stay tuned for how I slay this look. All the details, all the products that I use will be down in the description bar. I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and stay tuned. What's up, y'all? I'm back at it again with another YouTube video. So we starting with a fresh face. I'm gonna be using this Glamlite Burger Palette. They just sent me this. I'm geeked up and I cannot wait to use it. So I don't know what kind of look I'm gonna create with this, but y'all just stay tuned. We're gonna start with the face and the eyebrows first. So alright, y'all, so I'm just taking this little MAC palette with some single eyeshadows in it, and I'm gonna be using this single eyeshadow. It's called Brun, however you say it. This is what I'm gonna be using to fill in my eyebrows real quick. Please stop playing with me. Please stop playing with me. So now I got my eyebrows on. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean them up with some concealer. This one is by L'Oreal. It's a True Match Crayon Concealer in medium Z. So I'm just going to go ahead and line up underneath here with the concealer. Then I'll be taking my little flat 242 from MAC. So flat brush. And just, you know, making that thing crisp. Making that thing perfect. Feel me? Just like real simple. You know, not doing too much, not overworking yourself, sis. See that? Oh, baby. I like to take a little fluffier of a brush sometime. Just to blend that thing out. Alright, so now I'm going to just take this concealer right here by L'Oreal. I'm using that to prime my lids for my eyeshadow. Take this LA Girl Pro Conceal Corrector in orange, and I'm just going to conceal my little dark spots I got on this side of my face. And then blend it in with my, and on my upper lip. Yeah, that's the only place I need it. And just blend it in with my Real Techniques beauty sponge thingy. Just like that. Get that skin even, you feel me? Take this Pacifica Clean Foundation in 10WT. I'm just taking like a little bit because this foundation be covering. Like, literally, I'm just taking that much with my same Real Techniques beauty sponge. I'm just going to blend this thing. When I tell you it will spread, baby, you only do a little bit. Like, one time, I had put this on, and I had did the little thing. When you squirt the foundation on your face, oh, no. That was a no-go, too. You only do a little bit, because this stuff be spreading. It's thick. It goes, period. From one side to the face. You see how that little piece, I ain't even touched the rest. Them spread it all over my face. And that was 2 pumps. Probably won't even use the rest of it. I don't know how to work this foundation yet, so I'm still trying it out. Alright, now I got my foundation on and whatnot. I'm going to take this little Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I got this little trial size. But I'll try this and put it underneath my eyes and down my bridge of my nose. And, you know how that thing go. Just like this the highlight right here. I'm not going to use too much because I ain't trying to look too, bright. Let me make sure I'm blended. Hold on. Okay. Now I'm going to take this Anastasia Stick Foundation in the color Earth, and that's what I'm using to contour my cheeks. You feel me? On a little bit of my temple. I don't really need to contour my temples like that. I just doing it for real. down the sides of my nose. Sorry about this noise. It's my air conditioning. Because, baby, I'm sitting right by it. So I'm going to just fast forward this part. Now I'm about to go set my under eye with this MAC medium dark Studio Fix Perfecting Powder. Now I'm going to take my Morphe Highlight and Contour Palette. And I'm going to take these two colors here and contour my face. Alright, so now we're going to go back to the eyes, the fun part. And I'm going to be using this burger palette. I am going to, hold up, probably use
1 hour later.
I'm going to use this color first. Let me do this one. So I'm taking that color, barbecue sauce from the burger palette. And I'm just going to add that into my crease with a little pointy brush. I don't know what this brush is called. Don't ask me because I don't know. It's just some brush I got. It's pointy. That's all I know. Now we got barbecue sauce on the lids. The crease. I'm going to take red onions. And I'm going to blend that on top of the same brush. Just literally right on top. Where the barbecue sauce was. Now I'm going to take this orange color sweet potato fries. Alright, so now I'm about to take this yellow mustard color. And this is just to kind of like give like that little sunsetty little vibe that we're trying to create with the crease. So now I'm about to cut my crease. I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Fast Base Concealer to do that. And I'm just using this MAC 242. I'm not going to talk through this part because I got to concentrate. So y'all just see. Alright, so now I got the base. I'm going to go in with 1, 2, 3, 4. Got that? To liven this look up a bit, I'm just going to take cheddar and put that into my inner tear duct here. So y'all know Jasmine, right? Y'all know Jasmine gonna do something a little extra. That's just what she do. I'm gonna add this glitter. Just a touch. Just right in my crease. You know, nothing too crazy. You know, just a little bit. Just a touch. I'm just gonna add a little bit of black liner too. Nothing too crazy. I ain't gonna wing it out. Just, pardon me, just line. About to add my lashes. These lashes I have used a couple times, and they're just these lashes right here. I literally just typed in 3D mink lashes in the Amazon search box. It didn't have a label. We got the lashes on. This eye makeup is popping, period. I look bomb. I'm gonna go ahead and add this blush. MAC highlighter and gold deposit. This is gonna be holy grail for me. I'm always gonna use gold deposit, period. Let me fix my nose ring. It's just like a nice little, it's like a nice little glow ting when you want to look pretty, you know. And line my lips with this brown lip pencil by Nabi. You can get it from the hair store. It ain't like expensive. It's like $1. Give me some little DSLs real quick. I'm going to use Mehr lipstick from MAC. Now I'm taking this lip gloss by Runway Rouge. And it's called Chameleon. And I'm going to put that on top. It smells good too. It's one of my favorite lip glosses. Thank y'all so much for watching. This is, you know, just my third YouTube video. So I'm trying to push it out there. I had a very busy last couple of weeks. But, you know what I'm saying? I'm back at it. I'm going to be pushing out that content, giving y'all new videos and stuff. So just stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I love the way how it turned out because I definitely didn't know what I was going to do. I was just happy that I was using the Burger Palette by Glamlite. And I do have a coupon code for you guys. GLAM15. You'll get 15% off of your order if you order on Glamlite. Make sure y'all pick up the Burger Palette. They also have a pizza palette. They also have a taco palette. They got all types of palettes. You know what I'm saying? For your food taste. If you're a foodie, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead. Go to glamlite.com and order yours and get 15% off using GLAM15. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Love y'all. Continue to keep watching me and like, comment, and subscribe. Mwah. Share this video too. Bye.